Okay, then we're gonna try the next fault code. That's 11020.17. So it's 11020.17. Okay, then it says there coolant level too low, red warning lamp, meaning you must just top up the coolant and that will clear automatically by itself. Alright, then we're on the next one, MMU, that's 12004.0, so we're going to do it 12004.0. Okay, now it states mid-chassis ASG strain signal shorted, high or internally pulled due to loom disconnection. Okay, so that one you need an auto electrician to check the wiring, but normally it's pulled in the loom behind the cab.